another bank holiday today, and we are going to Falmouth. So Falmouth is one of the cities in Cornwall. It's where Ozie works, and we're having another family day out. Ozie's taking us to lunch, and then he has the itinerary planned. I don't know what we are doing, but he has said trust him. So I am trusting my husband today. And that's Ozie right there, and that's mommy at the back, and Evey is sleeping in the car seat. Alright guys, let's go. Me and Precious used to love this song. I said do do do, I'm gonna do do do. I thank you Lord, I bless you for your love. Stay with me, oh my God, just stay with me. For my nanny, stay with me. Stay with me, Mama. Ozie and I, right, when we nearly came to the UK, we always used to complain about the lemonade they have here, and we didn't realize that we just had really high standards. So we worked in Exile. For those that know us from Cyprus, Ryan is the owner of Exile Cafe, and we used to make lemonade in Exile. And you know that lemonade was the banger. Like, we literally used to get fresh lemons and squeeze them and put syrup, and that was like my introduction to lemonade, and that's how I thought lemonade should be. So when I moved to the UK, and they would give us things like this, and a Sprite, literally with one slice, not even one slice, like a half slice, what am I saying, quarter slice of lemon in it. I was just like, what's this? I used to be so blown away, like, nah. There are so many things in my mind, but I'm just gonna save it for later. But yeah, lemonade is very disappointing. Anyway, bye guys. Hello.
I've got your strips basket.
Thank you. Don't try my chicken. Let me give you one and carry one of yours. Shall I give you one of mine and carry?
Yeah, treat. Don't do that.
That's the biggest one I have. Can I have one of yours?
The same thing. This trip.
Okay.
I like the honey one. The honey sauce. I like it.
Very nice. Was the night in shining armor in your movie? Put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now. Hey, I'm the process. Hey, you look right through me. You're the reason I'm alone, and I've been trying to fix my pride, but that shit's broken. That shit's broken. I tried to hide, but now you know that I'm at an old time. Hey, love, 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 love. The day has gone by really fast. What's the time actually? It's like past 5, isn't it?
Yeah, 5:14.
It's 5:14 currently. So it's almost the end of the day. We'll soon have to go home, but we're just sat at the beach. It's really beautiful here. So I'm gonna ask Ozie one question, and that will be all he has to say in this video. Are you happy? Okay.
Depends on what it is.
My husband,
Yes.
tell me 5 things you are grateful for.
You say one question.
It's one question. In secondary school, they don't have 5A, 5B, 5C. So it's like 1A, 1B, 1C, 1D, 1E.
Lord, I thank you for sunshine. Thank you for rain.
I didn't ask you to sing for me. Okay, so I asked Ozie what are 5 things he's grateful for, and we're going to hear him.
All right. I am grateful for life. I'm grateful for my family. That's my wife, my son, my mommy with us, great stoves.
Stoves.
Everything stoves.
Stoves. A lot of stuff is called what? Stuffs.
Stuffs. That's why I put the Z.
Stuffs.
A
No,
lot of
it's
stuffs.
stuff.
I know English. Is you don't know pidgin. That's the issue.
Yeah.
The one
Even pidgin no get stuffs.
the English where you can't think say you sabi, you know can't sabi.
It's okay. It's alright. Don't insult me. Don't insult me.
I think I'm grateful for the stage of life we are in. Just there's a lot of growth, a lot of change. I'm so happy. I'm so fulfilled.
I feel happy, I feel grateful, and I feel fulfilled. I'm happy because I never expected it, but God gave it to me. I'm grateful to Him.
I'm grateful for the kind of job I have. Although today's a bank holiday, so it's chill. But I'm grateful that I get to come alongside people in the way I do. It's such an honor and a privilege. And I'm grateful for our friends and family here. But our friends, especially in Cornwall, we have such a great community around us. People that rally around us. I mean, every Sunday this past couple of weeks we've just had people over at the house, different groups, and and we just have such a swell time really. So that's 5 things.
Yeah.
I'm really grateful. I mean, there's so much more to be grateful for.
Yeah.
But those are 5 solid things off the cuff that I can think about.
All right. Good. Next stop.
And then this one's
Pendennis Point. Good morning. So my task for this morning is to try to set up EVEY'S playpen. Hi guys, so we're on our way to our friend's house. They're having like a barbecue get together, and my friend is in love with EVEY'S, so she said to bring EVEY. Usually I'll just leave it at home when we are going out, but yeah, he's coming with us today.
A friend technically from childhood.
Yeah.
They grew up together.
No,
But he doesn't know in her adult that she's still in child mode. Oh. So they probably separated or phone or something. So she created distance.
Yeah, I would.
So they used to do it together. It's coming, it's coming. See? You know he's doing it.
So our ingredients: flour, baking powder, salt, yeast, butter, sugar. Do I need to?
Since it's not for commercial, you can add
Milk.
Yes, milk for this thing, the yogurt.
So we are also adding yogurt. Ew,
And pork.
I should pour it. Everything like that.
Yes.
So I should start mixing it.
Okay, rub it in. Sugar is still to taste. That is what I need to measure.
Okay.
But you can use different pinch of salt.
Pinch of salt, okay.
Pinch. Mix it very well and taste.
Okay.
If you are okay with the taste.
It's not enough. Is it not enough? Okay. It's not enough.
Carry it over again and drop like 3 times to know whether the water is enough for it.
Wait, I don't understand. Let's do it again so I'll see if it's drop like 3 times.
Carry it over
So when I want to cut, is the oil hot here? Which one was this one? So how will I do my? Is it okay? This one?
Yes.
So how do I do it?
Which way is round? Yes. You'll be fast.
Don't space again.
Put. Make sure all enter. It will enter. The space.
I should pack it.
No.
Is this one already burning now? We are done making our puff puff. This is delicious. I'm gonna go make hot chocolate. I have my puff puff with it. Please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.